Hello, this is Jolanta from the YouTube channel English with an Erudite. Today I would like to show you a few of my musk roses. I like musk roses or hybrid musk roses for two reasons. One is that, in my opinion, they are very easy to grow and they keep flowering for a long time. The other reason is that they are very often with single flowers, so they are very accessible to all sorts of insects. This hybrid musk rose is a Mozart. It doesn't grow at a very grand location, just by my compost bins, but I suppose the rose doesn't mind it at all. I have another Mozart, but this one was transplanted a few months ago, and I think a little bit too late in the season, and it hasn't recovered yet, so it's not as big as the previous one, but I think it is just a question of time, and it's going to produce a lot of beautiful flowers. The one which has just caught me is the Robin Hood. It's been flowering for quite a while, so it's a little bit tired right now. A little bit tired, and I think it's going to rest for a while, and then it's going to produce another flush of flowers. It grows with Salvia sclarea or sclarea and some larkspur and 3 clematis Arabella. It's a very reliable clematis. And the last one in this corner is a Dinky. Dinky has just started flowering. Dinky produces double flowers. And the color is really lovely, especially before the heat of the day. So I'm filming early in the morning. My beautiful Dinky. Please take a look at the salvias again. The reliable Arabella with a very long flowering season. Larkspur. Salvias again. Robin Hood. And another Arabella. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.